Hello, this is Jesse Reynolds with OnlineBackupFinder.com. Today we'll be showing you a Dropbox video tutorial on how to install their service. As you can see, we have the website here with a demo video and the clickable link to download Dropbox. It is free for Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile phones and devices, namely Android, BlackBerry, and Apple phones. So we'll click on the Download Dropbox, which will bring us to the Download Dropbox screen. We'll save the file, which will bring up a download file link right here. We'll come back in 1 second once the file has been finished downloading. Now that Dropbox is finished downloading, we'll double click on it to begin the installation. This may be different for different users, as we use Mozilla's Firefox for our browser. If you use a different browser, the installation file may go to a different area. Now that we double clicked, it'll bring up the installation. We'll run it, and the install screen will show up. We'll click install. The installation process, as you can see, is very quick. Once Dropbox is installed, it'll prompt you to create an account if you don't already have one. If you do, you can click on the I already have a Dropbox account. Since we do not, we will create a Dropbox account. We will fill this information out and come right back. Once you've created an account, you will be prompted to select which plan you'd like. You can start with the free 2 GB plan or pay for the 50 or 100 GB plans with the prices listed on the screen. We will go with the free 2 GB plan for this trial. You can do the typical or advanced. We recommend just going with the typical, but you can select the advanced if you would like to choose which locations and folders will be synced. So you can see here, it'll take us through a step-through-step guide on the setup process. You can access your files from anywhere using Dropbox.com. So you'll have a Dropbox account created here. You can log in through the web browser or through the program installed onto your computer or mobile device. As you can see here, the Windows 7 will show in the bottom right corner. You can share folders with people you know and add passwords to them by right-clicking on it, selecting Dropbox, and sharing this folder. As you can see, the setup is very simple, and as Dropbox puts it, that's it. So we'll have here in the bottom left, open my Dropbox folder now, and we'll click finish and have that open up. And that's it. It'll open to work in Dropbox, and you can see Jesse's files, photos, and public. We can right click on Jesse's, go to Dropbox, and browse on the Dropbox website. This will load up and show us getting started. And you can get additional megabytes by completing tasks like taking the Dropbox tour, putting files in your Dropbox folder, inviting friends, and installing Dropbox. As you can see here, we've already completed a few by sharing a folder, installing Dropbox, and installing Dropbox on your computer. Excuse me, we said installing Dropbox on other computers that you use, which we've already done. So we'll take the tour to show you how that goes and how quick and easy it is to get an additional 250 megabytes. What is Dropbox? Be anywhere, simple sharing, always safe, and surprise yourself. And from there, we'll be done. You can see the additional space that you added by clicking down on your name and seeing that we have 2.5 gigabytes used. If you remember, originally we only had 2 gigabytes. We can change settings, install it, which we've already done, upgrade to a paid account, and sign out. So this has been Dropbox video tutorial on their installation. As always, if you have any questions, please comment or write us a message and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is Jesse with OnlineBackupFinder.com. I hope you had a great day.